in the missing number to complete the proportion. What is the proportion here? 2 by 3 equals 4 by what? Good, the answer is 6. How did we get that? Start with 2 by 3, given number. Write an equivalent fraction with 4 as numerator. Here we got 4. So what is the equivalent fraction? Multiply 2 by 2. So if you get 2 by 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So in the denominator also you multiply it by 2, that is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6. So 2 by 3 equals 4 by 6. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by what equals 2 by 6. This is the proportion. What is the proportion here? Proportion of 6 is, proportion of 2 is 1. Therefore proportion of 6 should be, find it out. Pause the video, find. Correct answer is 3. Do you know how we got that? We start this time with the number in the right hand side, 2 by 6. Write an equivalent fraction with 1 as numerator. So how do you write a fraction? How do you make this into 1? Divide it by itself. Therefore we have 1 in the left hand side. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So divide the numerator by 2. Divide the denominator by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore 6 divided by 2 is 3. The answer, the proportion of 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. Is the proportion of 2 by 6 or equivalent fraction. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by 2 equals what by 4? Good, pause the video, find the answer. Good, the correct answer is 2. How did we get that? We'll start with the whole fraction on the left, that is 1 by 2. Write an equivalent fraction with 4 as the denominator. Because we have 4 on the right hand side, we need what? Multiplied by 2 gives you 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So you will write down the denominator as multiply it by 2. The numerator multiplies it by 2 so that it cancels, right? Do the same in the numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 1 by 2 proportion is 2 by 4. 1 by 2's equivalent fraction is equal to 2 by 4. Okay. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. What is the proportion of 455? Equivalent fraction. Yes, find it out. Good. Answer is 8. How did we get that? Good. What makes 5 a 10? First start with 4 by 5. Write an equivalent fraction with 10 as the denominator. 4 by 5, what is the thing? 10 we have to multiply by 2. So we get 10. Multiply the numerator also by 2. 2 4s are 8. So 8 by 10. 4 by 5 equals 8 by 10. One more sum. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by 4 equals what by 16? Good. You have to start with 1 by 4 and find the multiply the right number. You get 4 as the answer. Good. Start with 1 by 4. Write an equivalent fraction for 16. 4 times 4 is 16, right? So multiply the numerator by 4. Therefore 1 into 4 is 4. 1/4 equals 4/16. Proportion of 4/16 is 1/4. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by 2 equals what by 8? Good. Find the proportion and write it down. The answer is 4. Good. The good answer is 4. How did we get it? Start with 1 by 2. Write an equivalent fraction with 8 as denominator. How do we get? 2 times 4 is 8. So multiply the numerator by 4. So 1 4s are 4. The answer is 4. 1 by 2 equals 4 by 8. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by what equals 2 by 10? Good. First start with 2 by 10. Divide. We got 1 here. Divide the numerator by what number? Do the same in the denominator. Do you want to know the answer? Good. The answer is 5. How did we get there? Start with 2 by 10. Write an equivalent fraction with 1 as the numerator. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So divide the denominator also by the same number. Therefore 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 1 by 5 equals 2 by 10. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by 4 equals to what by 8? Pause the video and find the answer. Correct answer is 2. How do we do that? Start with 1 by 4. Write an equivalent fraction to get 8. For that we have to multiply, right? Do the same on the numerator. The answer is 1 2s are 2. 2 by 8. 1 by 4 equals 2 by 8. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 3 by 5 equals 6 by what? Pause the video. The correct answer is 10. How did we get that? Start with 3 by 5. So 3 became 6 here. How did we get 6? 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply the denominator by the same number. 5 times 2 is 10. The equivalent fraction is 6 by 10. 3 by 5 equals 6 by 10. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 1 by what is 3 by 9? Good. First start with 3 by 9, right? The answer is 3. How did we get it? Let's start with 3 by 9. What gives you 1? 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. Do the same on the denominator. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 1 by 3 equals 3 by 9. Good job. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 4 by 5 equals 16 by what? Pause the video and write the answer. Correct answer is 20. How did we get that? Start with 4 by 5. Write an equivalent fraction with 16 as the numerator. We have 16 here. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So multiply the denominator by 4. 4 4s are 20. So 4 by 5 equals 16 by 20. Good job. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. What by 3 equals 3 by 9? Okay, let's find that out. Start with 3 by 9 and do that. Pause the video and do how to divide and find. The right answer is 1. How did we get it? Start with 3 by 9. Write an equivalent fraction with 3 as denominator. So what we do? On the right we do 9 divided by what is 3? 9 divided by 3 is 3. That we got, right? So divide the numerator also with the same number. dot 1. 1 by 3 equals 3 by 9. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 15 by 20 equal to what by 4?